Cut their on-ramps off, please.
Copy.
Hey, Mike, I thought I saw smoke as he was coming around that corner, so it shouldn't last too much longer. 10-4. Guys, give me your speed. We're about 105, 110, trying to catch up. They're still a little ways away. It's pretty good traffic. Still south of that there one's got it, if you want to call it.
10-3, 10-3. Someone just pit him into the woods.
The 252. 252. Every unit behind us, stop traffic, stop traffic. We got plenty up here.
9 Charlie 14. I'll be in the far right lane, stopping traffic.
Shut it down. Car in the woods, can't see the driver.
Charlie 14, anybody got eyes?
Air 1 does not have eyes on the suspect.
Alright, everybody heads up. He's trying to drive the car out of the woods.
All right, guys, we're going to get 2 shields. We're going to approach, trying to rock the car back and forth so he's still inside.
Look, when they get a shield, let's pin him in. Y'all do not walk up on this car. We got enough people up here. Dog! Press the dog!
He's on the move again in a Coco K9 Explorer going north on 95.
Air 1, follow that car. He got another car.
Air 1's got eyes, still northbound.
Black Coco K9 Explorer.
Okay, we got units coming up just south of Dunlawton. It's the only vehicle coming at you, center lane, blue lights on. Only vehicle, about 3 seconds out.
That weapon's accessible in the cab. Any other vehicle dealing with them, block your doors.
Stick it.
Alright. Delta 32 has eyes northbound.
14 to whoever's calling it. You want the traffic to stay put.
Car 1, give Air 1 the air.
Still northbound 95, half mile south of Dunlawton. Half mile south of Dunlawton.
Lieutenant Shank, I need to know if there's any guns in that car that he just stole in the front.
Still northbound on 95, passing Dunlawton. Traffic stopped on the on-ramp for Dunlawton. Still no traffic, northbound, center lane.
The channels are patched, now with 5.
Which car? The Coco car?
Coco SUV, Coco SUV. In the shoulder right now.
Stick it from both corridor units. Full stick it.
Are there guns in the front of the car? Ask the K9 handler from Coco. He says yes, there probably is.
Okay, vehicle is smoking, north of 95, or north of Dunlawton by about a half mile. Going into the inside lane.
Being advised, that's a SWAT officer's vehicle. Don't be in the same lane with him, he's going to lose debris all over the road.
Inside lane, he's starting to slow down. It's about a quarter-mile south of Williamson Overpass.
Okay, 911, if you're not already, hurry up and get up here. I'm coming. Hey, you guys light K9 to the front. Light K9 to the front. Car 1, make sure you get some long guns up here too.
Still northbound, north of the Williamson Overpass.
X-ray 11's at 92. Does it need more sticks or no? Alright, everybody hold there. We need a K9 up here. Mike, where you at? Passing Williamson. Alright, he's braking for the median, guys. He's braking for the median. Braking for the median. Everybody slow down. Don't ball up here.
It's underneath the the wires. Underneath the wires. In the median.
Where there's going to be K9 in the signal 10.
10-3, 10-3.
We've got one thrown down on the ground. Being secured.
1642 hours.
CO3 Central. I need a COCO unit back here at the first scene where their vehicle went into the woods.